Hi everybody. I want to go over the week 4 instructions for you to give you a better idea of what you are to do. So in week 4, you'll see that the first item is in regard to the end of Unit 1. So you have completed the final paper in Unit 1, and we just ask that once you've gotten your grade for that final paper, the literature review, that you would take a moment to complete a short survey. So the link is here in the announcements. It will not take you very long, and we just ask that you give us your honest feedback about Unit 1. Thank you for doing that. The next thing you need to do is to think a little more deeply about your debatable topic that you chose in Unit 1. To do that, you are going to complete a discussion topic. So the link is here in the announcements for week 4. Here you will see 5 questions that may help you think a little more deeply about your issue. Please choose any 3 of them and answer those with at least 2 to 3 sentences for each question. And you'll simply type that into the discussion topic once you open your new thread. So simply do that and post your thread. However, the other part of this assignment is to be sure to respond or reply to at least 2 of your fellow classmates. And here it is. Respond to at least 2 of your peers. So once you've posted your discussion topic, then, or your thread, then at some point go back in and see what other students have posted and reply to their questions, their answers, in at least 1 or 2 sentences for each reply. All right. So the next item this week is to do a little bit more reading on what is an informative research essay. That's what we'll be doing in Unit 2. Finding your synthesis question, and most importantly, using SIRS to conduct research. For Unit 2, we're going to be using our same debatable topic, and we're going to find 2 additional articles. For this unit, we'll be finding both of those articles in the SIRS database. So this week, along with posting your discussion topic, we want you to find the 2 articles and read them and annotate them. So let me demonstrate, although you should be sure to do the reading, but let me demonstrate finding articles in SIRS. So you'll go to the MyDTC homepage, and under the Student Success Toolbox in the Library Databases, you'll find SIRS. When you get into that site, you'll see lots of issues that are listed. Perhaps your issue is one of them, but you can also put your issue here in the search bar. So if I'm looking at gun control, I can go there and see various articles, and perhaps it's a pro-con, which is really what we're looking for. So here we have a pro-con issue: should gun regulations be tightened? If that matches with your debatable topic, then it's very nice to find your 2 articles. There will be a list of articles with the one viewpoint and a list of articles with the other viewpoint. Your 2 articles for this unit need to be in differing perspectives. So they should not be coming from the same point of view or same perspective or same position. Very important that you're getting 2 separate or distinct perspectives on the issue. So you, of course, can look at any individual article and make sure that it's current. Make sure that it's not a student article from a university or student paper. And just make sure that it passes the CRAP test, and look through and see what you have. If this is a good article, you can print it right here from SIRS or email it to yourself. Of course, you'll be using this article in Unit 2, but also going forward into Unit 3. So that's basically what you're going to do is find 2 separate perspective articles from SIRS this week. So that's it. And if you have any questions, please contact me.